Hello students, I really hope you are in best of your health. So today we'll be taking our next topic, that is plastics basically. So in that topic we'll be doing further subtopics. We'll be studying about what are plastics, types of plastics on the basis of heat, and the third thing is properties of plastics. If you go through this topic properly, then you'll be able to answer two long answers. So please go through it very carefully, try to understand the thing side by side. Okay, now starting with the topic plastics. Which chapter we are doing these days? We are doing synthetic fibers and plastics. So it should be clear to you, plastics, they are something that is synthetic. It means they are man-made. They are not at all natural. Okay. Second thing is these are polymers. See, now you're very well known to the word. You're familiar with the word polymer now. What is a polymer? Polymer is a long chain that's made up of very small monomers. Okay. For example, I'll give you one example. I'm having something. This is what? This is a polythene. We say polythene, okay? Polyethene, okay? So it's a polymer means it's made up of so many things. तो ये जो polyethene है, okay, it's a polymer that's made up of small monomers. एक बड़ा सा ये जो दिख रहा है ये तो एक polymer है, पर इसके अंदर if you go very deep into it, you will understand that it's made up of so many small things. And what is the name of this small thing? That is a monomer known as ethene. तभी हम उसको कहते हैं पॉलीइथीन, क्योंकि बहुत सारे इथीन से बना हुआ है. एंड व्हाट इज अ मोनोमर इन दिस नाउ? मोनोमर होती है जो स्मॉल यूनिट्स जिसको बना रही हैं, दैट इज इथीन इन दिस केस. ओके, वी आर नाउ अंडरस्टूड विद द polymer. So done with polymer, we are done that these are synthetic in nature, plastics. The third thing is that derived from petrochemicals. It means our fossil fuels play a role in this as well. They derive from petrochemicals, means petroleum is used for that. See, you know this thing, petroleum is something. From petroleum we get so many things, like we get petrol, we get diesel, we get natural gas, so many things we get from there. Okay, so this is also, there is a product known as naphthalene. This is not in your syllabus, but just for your understanding I'm telling you. एक naphthalene product बनता है petroleum से, जो इसका raw material के काम आता है. There are many other things, that's why you can simply in short say they are derived from petrochemicals. So this is much for the definition of plastics. They are synthetic in nature, they are polymers, and third thing is they are derived from petrochemicals. So moving on with the next part, that is about the types of plastics. See, types of plastics, there are basically two types of plastics if you do it on the basis of heat: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. So the word thermo means heat. Whenever in science you come around this word thermo, it always means heat. So talking about thermoplastics, okay? Thermoplastics, these are the plastics, when you give them high temperature, they melt very easily. बहुत जल्दी ये पिघल जाते हैं. अब ये पिघल जाएंगे जल्दी, तो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? आप इनको डिफरेंट शेप दे सकते हो, ठीक है? दे कैन बी मोल्डेड वेरी इजीली. मतलब ऑब्वियसली कोई चीज़ है जिसको आप बर्न किया, वो मेल्ट हो गई, तो उसको आप शेप दे सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू कीप अ स्क्वायर शेप अराउंड, वो मेल्ट हो रहा है तो वो स्क्वायर की शेप ले लेगा. इट मीन्स मोल्डिंग जल्दी हो जाती है, इट मीन्स डिफरेंट शेप जल्दी बन जाती हैं. So these are something that cannot maintain this shape at high temperature, obviously, because they are getting melted very easily. They can be molded very easily. Okay, now examples of that, I'm having again some things. Polythene, when you melt it, you know this thing, when you're going to provide heat to this is going to melt. That's nothing, something strange. You all know this very well. Okay, next thing I'm having is something else. What should I give you as an example? This is one of the examples that I've given you. There's one more thing, but that's an exception to this. This is, I'm having sort of, you can say, credit card. Okay, but you have to keep in mind, whatever identity cards we are having, they are made up of a plastic known as polyvinyl chloride, that's PVC. It is also a thermoplastic. Okay, but there is something exception about this, कि इसको it is very flame resistant, इसको जल्दी आग नहीं लगती है. Okay, but it is a thermoplastic. Okay, whatever doubts you'll be having, you can ask me. Okay, my personal number. Now moving on further with the next type, that is thermosetting plastic. Okay, thermosetting plastic means, thermo means heat. अगर आप उसको heat भी provide करोगे, फिर भी उसकी shape बड़ी set रहती है. It means it's able to maintain the proper shape that's having. उसको आप heat दोगे तो वो जल्दी melt नहीं होता है, ठीक है? और इसकी molding भी एक बार हो गई तो it's done, because आपको अब बाद में heat provide करे तो इतनी जल्दी problem नहीं आती आपको, ठीक है? Examples also I'm having over here. Okay, I'll take these two examples. Do you see plugs over here? Okay, these are also examples of this thermosetting plastic. को जल्दी whenever heated, they never get इनकी shape जल्दी खराब नहीं होती है, ठीक है? They are able to bear that thing and they are able to maintain their shape. That this comes under a plastic known as bakelite. Bakelite नाम का एक plastic होता है, जिससे ये प्लग्स और स्विचेस बनते हैं, ठीक है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल आई हैव गिवन यू ऑफ थर्मोस्टेटिक प्लास्टिक्स. Another I'm having, you see, this is what you all very well know these things. These are dinnerware sets, okay. Whatever dinner sets you see, they are made up of plastics, but they're not able to get that heat easily, so they are made up of melamine. That's a plastic, means that's a thermosetting plastic. So it means, again I tell you about the examples. So if I talk about two examples, okay, if I talk about two types, thermoplastic, thermosetting plastics. So thermoplastic जो थे, ठीक है, what were the examples? I give example of these things. This is polyethylene, this is PVC, polyvinyl chloride, the identity cards they are made up of. Next thing I did, thermosetting plastics. I told you these plugs, they are made up of bakelite. So bakelite is example of thermosetting plastic. This is dinnerware sets, whatever they are made of plastics, they are actually melamine made things. Thermosetting plastic, okay. Now talking about the one more thing, when you talk about thermoplastics, so they are able to make pipes. You see some pipes they transportation करते हैं water की here and there. That also comes under this thermoplastics, okay. And along with that we have bottles. They used to store things. They used to store water. Similarly, we have other containers that are used to store food. That comes under thermoplastic. And then afterwards, you're having thermosetting plastics. They're generally used for making dinnerware sets. I've told you. So uses also we are done. So when you are in notes, it's very well clarified what are the differences between the two that I've explained to you. Now moving on with the third thing that we'll be talking today, properties of plastics. So first property is they do not get much reactant to those water. This is a bottle of water. In this I can keep water because I know the water is not going to react. Water is not going to react with this plastic. तभी तो मैं इसमें store कर रही हूँ, ठीक है. ना ही जो प्लास्टिक होते हैं इनको सराउंडिंग एयर का इफेक्ट होता है. दैट्स वाई इनको रस्ट वगैरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. एंड वी कैन स्टोर द थिंग्स, ओके. नेक्स्ट इज दे डोंट रिएक्ट विद वाटर. दिस आई हैव टोल्ड यू, ठीक है. दे यूज फॉर स्टोरेज, ओके. दे यूज फॉर स्टोरेज ऑल्सो. Next properties, they are very flame. For example, they are very inflammable. If this is there, I'm going to heat it, it will quickly melt. So ये flame resistant नहीं होते इतने. They are inflammable in nature, means they catch fire very soon. Okay. Then next thing is they are poor conductors of heat and electricity. So if I talk about heat first, this is a pan, okay. This is a pan. Whenever we heat something, this area, this is a metal, this gets hot, okay, it gets warm. So for that we are having a plastic handle. So this is a plastic that does not allow that heat to touch our hand whenever we are cooking something, okay. So it means they are poor conductors of heat. So if I talk about electricity, they are poor conductors of electricity as well. Okay, I have taken an example over here. This is a charger I'm showing. This is a wire, okay. It does not conduct electricity, तभी इसके बाहर covering है, so that whenever we touch it, we don't get current, okay. Because this will not provide current to come out of it. It's a very poor conductor of electricity. So we're done with the properties also, okay. So what we're done today, definition of plastics, types of plastics on the basis of heat, that are thermosetting and thermoplastics. Third thing is properties of plastics. I hope you understood the topic very well because I have given examples side by side. So go for these things. It's a very easy topic. If you understood this thing, you'll be very able to answer 2 long answers that are very important. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.